gonna start with us turning to the left as we go down to a low V. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Place it in your left hand. Strip to flat. 7, 8, 9. Push. 10, 11, 12. Down. 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. From here, we're gonna come up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn to the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bottom card to the back. 9, 10, 11, 12. Palm roll. 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. From here, we're going to divide ourselves into 4 groups of 2. Group 1, you're going to turn to your right as you show both to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Group 2 is going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. Group 3, 9, 10, 11, 12. Group 4, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. And we'll all be facing the front. From here, we're going to do a rowboat showboat sequence. So you're going to row to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Toaster turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. Showboat. 9, 10, 11, 12. Turn to the left. 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. Then we're going to do a 16 count of slow cars. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. From here, we're going to go straight to our impact moment. And you're going to do a bunny to the left, big up and over. 1, 2, to the right, 3, 4. Throw in your left as you turn to the left towards the back. 5, down 6, up 7, flat, 8. From here, you're going to pop some money hand in your right hand. Up 9, down 10 as you turn to the left. Up 11 into the front, down 12. Pop it up 3rd, 4th, top card 5th, 6th. From here, you're going to divide yourselves into 2 groups, A and B. Group A, you're going to go 1, 2, row to the left. Group 2, you're going to hold 1, 2, go 3, 4. Then everybody flourishes to the right, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to toaster turn to the right. 9, 10, 11, 12. Pull hit to straight up and down. 3rd, 4th, sunrise. 5th, flip your hands. 6th. From here, we're going to do a single rotation pop toss. 1, 2, catch 3. Flip your left hand on 4. Throw to the left. 5, 6, 7, flat, 8. From here, you're going to bring your flag back to cradle. 9, down 10. Now your arms are crossed, pull is up. Unwind it to the front. 11, bunny 12. 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. From here, you're going to turn to your left. 1, 2, 3, flip your left hand. 4, flat toss. 5, 6, catch 7, 8. You really don't need to flip your hand for this part. From here, you're going to lean to the left and drop it 9. Sorry, you're going to go 9, 10, 11, 12, toaster, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. From here, you're going to palm roll to straight up and down. 1, 2, strip it, 3, 4, push it, 5, back 6, angle 7, 8. And that'll take us into part 2. So, watch that as many times as you need to. Let's go ahead and do that with music, front and back. Just a quick note, I won't be able to do the flag transition because of the way the music starts, but remember that it's the swing flags come down first. turn to the right, 5, 6, 7, 8, up and over, 9, 10, drop 11, 12, turn to the left, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. Group B, you're gonna do the same thing, but you're gonna start up and over. So you're gonna go up and over to the left. 1, 2, down 3, 4, turn to the right, 5, 6, 7, 8, push forward, 9, 10, 11, 12, turn to the left, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. From here, we're gonna pop to thumbs up. 1, 2, slice it down to the left, 3, 4, back out to low V, 5, 6, place it on your back and grab with your left hand, 7, 8. Unwind it, 9, 10, 11, 12, turn to the right, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. From here, we're gonna divide ourselves into 4 groups again. Group 1 is gonna come up and over to right flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, group 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, then 9, 10, 11, 12, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. From here, you're gonna blue double. 1, 2, 3, 4. Behind you and pop into thumbs up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Under your arm, 9, 10, 11, 12. Unwind it, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. And this is a 20 count, so you're gonna turn to the left. 17, 18, 19. Sorry, 17, 18. As you flip your hand, strip it, 19, 20. Then there's a 4 count break. We're gonna go up and over. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we go straight into our up and overs again. So that's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, go 1, 2, go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. And then another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you're going to divide yourselves into 3 groups. Group 1, you're going to throw to your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 5, 6, 7, 8. Group 2, you're going to throw 9, 10, 11, 12, hold 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. Group 3, you're going to go on the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then everybody carves, we fast carve 9, 10, 11, 12, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. From here, we're gonna push hit 1, 2, flip 3, 4, throw to the left, 5, 6, drop it behind you, let it swing to your right, 7, 8, hold 9, 10. And so you're just gonna peek your head out from underneath. So instead of letting it whip around, we're just gonna sling it to the right. So it's gonna go left, right, pose, and hold. And I know I moved pretty quick through that. There were a lot of repeats in that last ending. Let's go ahead and do that with music, front and back.